Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee 80th anniversary in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. With adaptive cruise control, with stop, blind spot and cross path detection, 20-inch aluminum wheels, tow package, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 29,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, select terrain system, second row heated seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 903688.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.